So here we are back at it, and today I have Brian along to help me out, but this is the pond liner that I am trying to repurpose into put in front of the garden that you can tell is not completely finished. It's all one big project, but we're moving along, and these are the stones that we've picked up down from the run, and we're using the base pavers just to keep them steady and to level them a bit. And as we go around, we're going to build the wall up to about here, then I'll find some pretty little capstones to put around. Fill it with water, plug it in, voila. What I'm looking for is nice, medium-sized rocks that can have a flat surface so that they'll stack on top of each other. So it's not just about grabbing. This one's nice. This is a small one. That's my weightlifting for the day. All right, let's hope there are no little snaky snakes in here. I don't like those. Snakes and poison ivy, those are the two things I'm looking for. Cute little opossum tracks and deer tracks. Who's that guy? A raccoon or an opossum? All right. Hey, go mule. Uh-oh. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, he made it. Okay. This is kind of fun. Why is this so hard? It's like when I pick out pumpkins or Christmas trees. It's like impossible. I just got my hands stuck. How many pounds do you say that is?
25 maybe?
No, that's more than that.
35, 40.
I mean, remember, the kind of the bigger the better, but I'm looking for.
See,
That's what she said. Okay, that's a good one though.
That's a good one.
That's a good one. Girly man.
Girly man.
That's a good one. And they can be, as we go up top, they can get smaller, you know, because we want the big ones for the bottom. This sucker, you know, the ones that you used with the mule? Yeah. I mean, the tractor up there to make the stepping stones. That would have been awesome, but they're now in the water and can't get the tractor down there. Look at this. Man, last year we had this all like weed-eated, really slacking. Bets, anybody? Oh, you're gonna get a running start? Yeah. Hey, there you go. That Kawasaki Mule is like 19 years old, I think.
You can do it.
Way to go, Mule.
I can do it. I did that.
You did that. Wait, yeah. Got maintenance to do. And then you've got maintenance, and you're always fixing something that broke. Like, oh, my horse will be so happy that we're taking these out. Yes. They do. This is so slippery for me. Oh shit, what was that?
Sorry, guys.
Woo!
Good God.
All right, we parking it right here and just picking up rocks? How on earth did there get so many rocks here? Did someone just dump them? So strange. It's so inappropriate. Well, where are you going? Lordy, Lordy. And whoa, spoken like a horse person. Whoa there, Brian, whoa.
Gotta make sure there are big old snakes out here.
Oh, thank you. You don't do snakes? This is a little guy. But we could always use little guys, right? Yeah, let's just kind of really concentrate on right here so the horses don't kill themselves when they have to. Gross. Okay. Okay. Hop on in, Brian. Let's go for a ride. So here we are back at it, and today I have Brian along to help me out, but this is the pond liner that I am trying to repurpose into put in front of the garden that you can tell is not completely finished. It's all one big project, but we're moving along, and these are the stones that we've picked up down from the run, and we're using the base pavers just to keep them steady and to level them a bit. And as we go around, we're going to build the wall up to about here, then I'll find some pretty little capstones to put around. Fill it with water, plug it in, voila.
Yep, it's nice and straight. Straight, straight, straight.
That was awesome. Okay, so here we are. This is phase 1 done. Now, not perfect. I'm still going to be getting some more stones to tuck in to fill in some gaps and to keep it more stable, or to make it more stable. And then I'll be putting down some topsoil, doing some plantings around it, and then creating a pathway to the breezeway and then to the garden. But for right now, my friends, phase 1 is done.